Hello friends, welcome to Vishwas Voice. Today we will dive into some essential tips for maintaining your terrace gardening. Terrace gardening offers a great way to grow plants in limited space, but regular maintenance is key to its success. Proper care, including watering, pruning and pest control, ensures your garden thrives year round. Before we dive into the today's topic, let's take a moment to talk about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and Apple Store by entering BuyMote e-shopping. BuyMote link has been given in the description. Install the app and get the best discount. Thank you for watching. We hope this terrace gardening maintenance tips help your garden thrive. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening tips. Once again, this video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app available on Play Store and Apple Store. Link is given in the description. Download the app, enjoy the discount. Bye. Catch you in the next video.